Hey guys, Mr. Riedel here. I'm going to talk to you about what's going on this week in science. We'll have one of these every week. This is the first week of quarter 2. So this is a new group, and just give you an idea of what to expect. So let's get going on this, huh? First thing you guys are going to need to do is log on to Schoology, and then you're going to find your class. So for Mr. Rito's class, you guys have a nice, cool looking turtle here. Mrs. Keefe's class and Mrs. Fatness's class and Mrs. Gaunt's classes, you guys are going to have something that looks a little different. Just find the one that says science, and then you're going to click on that. Okay. So what we got going on is this week, what I need you guys to do is I need you to watch this Welcome to Life Science video. It gives you an overview of what we're doing here in 7th grade science, get an idea of what you're going to do each week, and just an overview of what the class is about. Also, I've got a link to the syllabus right here. We're going to go over that in class this week, walk through it, talk through it, so you really shouldn't have to do much with that. Okay. We've also got an overview of hybrid learning in science that I want you guys to watch this week. That kind of gives you an overview of the whole hybrid learning model of what we're doing with science. Science is doing it a little bit different than your other classes. A lot of your other classes are going to be based here in Schoology, but most of our learning is going to be done in OneNote. And we're going to walk through how to set that up, how to navigate that, and how to use that in the first couple weeks of class so you guys get comfortable with that. Okay, the next thing here is office hours. So the science office hours are from 9 to 10 a.m. every Wednesday. You guys have questions about an assignment, if you just don't understand something, if you just want to reach out and say, hey, what's going on? We'd love to hear from you there too. You just click on the link, follow it through the Teams link, like you guys have been doing all year so far already. Okay. Again, another link to the syllabus right on the front page here, and then we've got this thing called setting up OneNote notebook. Just gonna give you guys a show. We're gonna do this together, but if for whatever reason your notebook gets messed up and you have to reset it up throughout the quarter, this is where you're going to go to follow those steps. Okay, I've got 4 video links here that Mrs. Gaunt has actually made, and they do an excellent job walking you through what we're going to do these first couple weeks. Okay, on the first day I see you guys, either Monday or Thursday, we're going to set up our OneNote notebooks, and we'll basically be going through these 4 videos. Okay, so if you ever have a problem with it, just go to here and it will definitely help you out. Okay, so then I've got 2 folders here, Austin and a Packers. So whatever you are, you're Austin, you're a Packer, and click on that, you're going to see the folder for the week we're in. Obviously, we're just starting this quarter, so this is the one we're going to look at. Okay, so you can see there are 3 things in here right now. Number 1 is a Nearpod lesson for week 1. That is all about lab safety. Again, we should be able to get through this in class, but if we don't get through it in class, I do expect you guys to do this at home. Okay, and oops, this is the video that you're watching right now. I've got it linked here. Click on that, and it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do this week. Okay, and then finally, there is 1 single assignment that you need to turn in on Schoology. It is a student interest survey, so just click on that, and there are about 10 questions or so that I need you guys to answer just to help me get to know you guys, because I only see you twice a week and I don't get to know you very quickly, so it's going to help me get to know you better and just have a better learning experience for you guys, because it's going to tell me, do you guys like reading or hands-on activity? What kind of stuff do you like to do in class? And all the stuff that we normally get to do throughout the year together, I have to do this on the computer, which isn't very fun, but it's just the way we have to do it nowadays. So go ahead and fill this out, submit it to me, and that would be awesome. Okay. Then this is the OneNote. This is something that's a little bit different than what you guys are probably used to. Okay, so we're always going to have, you can see I got a whole lot of folders here. This is all from quarter one, so it's all same stuff we did for quarter one for Life Science Week 1. This is what you're going to see in your notebook, and I'll teach you guys how to download this and everything and access it. But every week you're going to have a checklist of what to do this week. Okay, so first thing you need to do is read through this. This is going to give you everything you need to do. Okay, so first thing is watch the video overview, what to expect, hybrid science learning. You need to do this at home. And remember, boys and girls, that is right here. When we go back out to in folder 1. Yeah, sorry, I gotta find it myself. There we go. Get back to the overview, what to expect right here. Okay, that's the first thing you're gonna do at home. Then you're gonna watch the video meeting your teacher. That's me. So those first two videos on Schoology, just watch those and then complete the student interest survey, which I talked about just a minute ago. Okay, and then these are the things we're going to introduce at school. You may or may not need to do them at home. Okay, sign the lab safety contract. This is in OneNote, so that's right here. This is our lab safety contract. This is something we're going to start in school. You should have time to sign this with us, unless you're not here at school. Okay, and you can do this at home too. We're going to read through this together. You're going to put your name here, sign it, and date it. And that's what that is. Really simple, huh? Okay, complete the graph analysis and answer the questions. So here's the graph analysis. This one's all about Kobe Bryant's points per game. It asks you 4 questions that you just need to answer. Okay, I'm not going to go through in real depth with this right now because I want you to try and figure it out on your own. I'll cover this next week's video. Okay, take a picture of your, and then we're going to complete the graph analysis, complete your lab safety poster processing activity. Okay, so our processing activity is going to be, we're going to read through this together in school. And down here it says you need to make a poster, a safety poster. Okay, and then post it. So this is the instructions for your safety poster, and then here is an example of a safety poster that Mrs. Gaughan's showing you, and you're just going to need to post that. Post that underneath here when you're done. Okay, and then complete the near pod called Lab Safety. We should be able to get through that in class as well. So boys and girls, that is what you need to do this week. Again, if you've got questions, if you got concerns, email me, email your teacher, Teams them, or come during office hours and just ask a few questions. Okay, so guys, have a great week, have a great quarter, and can't wait to meet y'all. Bye now.